Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Minimalist Vitamin B5 Moisturizer. First, ensure your face is clean and dry. A fresh canvas allows for optimal absorption of the beneficial ingredients. Next, take a small, pea-sized amount of the moisturizer onto your fingertips. This is usually enough for your entire face and neck. Gently massage it into your skin using upward and outward motions until fully absorbed. This simple step prepares your skin for the day or night. For best results, incorporate this moisturizer into your routine twice a day, once in the morning and again before bed. In your morning routine, apply it after any serums and before your sunscreen. At night, it should be the final step in your skincare regimen. Regular, consistent application helps maintain your skin's hydration barrier and promotes a healthy complexion over time. Make it a habit for noticeable improvements. This Minimalist Vitamin B5 Moisturizer offers several key benefits for your skin. Vitamin B5, also known as panthenol, is a powerful humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin, providing deep hydration. It also possesses anti-inflammatory properties, helping to calm and soothe irritated or red skin. Furthermore, it supports the skin's natural barrier, making it more resilient against environmental stressors and moisture loss. To maximize the effectiveness of your vitamin B5 moisturizer, consider these tips. Applying it to slightly damp skin, perhaps right after toning, can enhance absorption. For a complete routine, pair it with a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser and a targeted serum. Always store your moisturizer in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to preserve its potency. Following these simple guidelines will help you achieve the best possible results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.